Got a neutral grip lat pull down, but we actually are trying to get our upper back musculature. When you get into this machine, you want to put your feet in a place where you can really press your thighs up into this knee pad so that you are super stable, so that you can slightly tilt back and arch your chest to the ceiling. Then we're just going to drag our elbows down and try and retract our shoulder blades. So pinching, feeling in the middle here to try and get all of this contracting. Let it rise up, stretch your back muscles, drag the elbows down, keep the chest high to the ceiling as it comes down. We don't want to hunch over or just do anything we can just to get it down. Pick a weight that you can get a super quality contraction, keeping your chest high. With this, we've got the D handles, but you can also use that silver neutral grip. Just whichever one you pick, stay with that through the block.